In today's video, I'll teach you how to change WhatsApp theme. So first of all, open the WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. So if you want to change the theme, for that tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings of WhatsApp. What you have to do is tap on this option chats. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the chats interface. At top, you'll be able to find this option for theme. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the themes over here: system default, light, dark. Simply tap on the theme that you would like to change to. After that, tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here the WhatsApp theme will be changed. Like this, you'll also be able to change the theme of the specific chat. For that, simply go back, tap on the chat where you would like to change the theme. Now you can see over here that chat will be opened. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option chat theme that you can see at second last. Now you'll be able to see various themes over here. You can also create the theme with AI by tapping on this option create with AI. So what you have to do is simply tap on the chat theme of your choice. Now you'll be able to preview the chat over here. You'll be able to adjust the brightness. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the chat color. After you're done, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option set theme that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the chat theme will be changed. So that is how you change WhatsApp theme. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.